Homemade bread buns with Chef Josh omusisi. So nakulwa lero ngenda kuba nkuyigiza engeri gy'okolamu bread buns ewaka nange Chef Josh omusisi. So ngenda kusaba toyiga wekka video eno gikwate ogisharinge n'omuntu omulala. Please don't learn alone. Share this video with each and everyone on WhatsApp, each and everyone in your inbox so that we can educate the world together. Today we are going to do homemade bread buns. Homemade bread buns, and I'm going to give you a simple recipe. So for the new viewers, or if you are watching, please first like this video. Bobanga kuoli soko liking video eno. Bobanga oli mupya soko subscribing na kadekatani ngeko ono. Soko anga ofuna recipe buli kanaku. So we are going to need wheat flour 650 grams. Tugenda kwetaaga engano 650 grams. 650 grams ezengano. Then wetumaliza okupima engano, after measuring wheat flour, we are going to apply it in the bowl. Then we are going to measure sugar. Sugar we need 75 grams. Sukali twetaaga grams 75. So we are going to measure 75 grams of sugar. We also apply it in the bowl. Tujiteke naye mu bowl. Bwetumaliza oteekamu sukali waffe kyenkola kyoba okola. What I'm doing is what you do. After measuring sugar, we are going to measure yeast. Yeast 10 grams. Instant yeast 2 in 1, 10 grams. This tugenda kwetaaga grams 10. Instant yeast 2 in 1. Tugenda kwetaaga grams 10. Nazo tugenda zi applyinga wali we twatadde sukali n'engano. So you apply it also in the bowl. Then after you're going to measure salt. Salt 4 grams. Salt 4 grams. Omunyo grams 4. Nazo bw'omaliza zipima, you apply them in the bowl. Then Prestige margarine, you can use unsalted butter or Blue Band, 86 grams. 86 grams. Wetaaga grams 86. Nazo zi measuring. After measuring them, you also apply them in the bowl. If you're watching this video, please like this video. Video liking. If you're a new viewer, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Then apply your Prestige. Then you apply 1 egg. Kwato tekemu ejirimu. You apply 1 egg. Remember, tusosemu ngano n'ebirala. Then amazzi, water, 320 ml. But don't apply them now. Totekamu mazzi kati. So soko olwabinga nti usan texture. Soko olwabinga ebirungo bino byonna bibonemu bulungi. Soko bitabule byonna bibulemu bulungi paka tukana ofuna texture eringa ey'omusenyu. Until sun texture. So after, if you see sun texture, you apply water little by little. Remember, water is 320 ml. Water is 320 ml. So apply water little by little nga bwogoya. Amazi matono bwogoya. Amazi matono bwogoya. Water little by little as you need. Apply water little by little as you need. Remember, this is Chef Josh omusisi. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. Please like this video. Video eno togiyitako nga togilaikinze. Commenting na wajja oli olabira video zange. Comment where you're watching my recipes from. Then keep on applying the water. Keep on applying the water little by little. Keep on applying water little by little. Then after that, knead for 10 to 20 minutes. After applying all the water, knead for 10 to 20 minutes. Make sure that you give it time. The reason lwaki abantu abamu mukola buns zamwe nga zikaluba donuts, you don't need for enough period of time. So need for enough period of time, jiwa obudde, jiteke ku meza, jigoye, jisindikire ddala. Then after jibayininge, finishing off n'akangano katono, era oddemu okoleki, oddemu ogoye nga otechakwata muki, techakwata mu ngalo ng'erirwedde buki, ng'erirwedde bulungi. Then bw'omaliriza, ogenda gikwata ogisetting awe. Ndowooza so giraba engeri gyekola gyegonamu. Ogenda kiteeka mu bowl, apply it in the bowl or in the closed container, then rest it for 1 hour. Cover and rest it for 1 hour. Gikwata ogiteeke mu bowl, ogikwata ewumule for okumala essaawa nnamba. Eprovinge, esobole okubanga eprovinga oba esobole okubanga edabolinga. So after leaving it for 1 hour, osoka nojiwa 1 hour to rest. Eso provinga, eso okubanga nekola ki doubling. Ndozo so okulaba, it has doubled in size. It has risen. Ekute ne doubling ne yeyongerako. Sibwe tuwe twagitaddemu. So yeyongeddeko mu buki, yeyongeddeko mu bunene. Then bw'omaliriza ogenda kuddamu era ogikwatemu ogigoye. Knead it again. After resting it, you knead it again, apply it on the table again, you roll it again. You roll it again like for 5 to 10 minutes. For 5 to 10 minutes. Then after rolling it, we are going to grease the tray. ogenda kwata ka pastry brush oba engalo zo ofune ka blue band oba ka prestige margarine oba kabuto okasiige kuki okasiige ku tray okasiige ku tray bw'omaliza okasiigako ku tray then you are going to make into even balls you're going to make into even balls. Okay bannange ya featurinze mu recipe yaffe ey'olwaleero wadde yaganye okujja mu kamera mukyala wange Chefness musogenda mu subscribing ku YouTube channel ye bagiyita Bake with Gladys Bake with Gladys ata bakery recipes zokka era yatukoledde recipe eno mukyala wange Chefness Gladys naye ku YouTube akozesa Bake with Gladys oba ku social media zonna obwega recipes za bakery zokka genda osubscribe ku YouTube channel ye Bake with Gladys ojja kuba ofuna ebintu ebya bakery ebyenjawulo. So make into even balls nga boziteeka ku tray make into even balls nga boziteeka ku tray then bw'omaliriza kwata omenye eggi kwata omenye eggi mugirimu teekamu tablespoons 2 ez'amazzi oba ez'amata and 1 egg apply 2 tablespoons of milk or water then after you whisk bw'omaliriza okube bw'omaliza okuba we are going to first egg wash some of the balls empira gyonna teyaji egg washinzeko egimu egg wash some of the balls then omaliza egg washinzeko empira ng'esatu then emirala tugenda gibata washinga nga givuddeyo mu oven then w'omaliriza kwata resting for 20 minutes after that setting ebbali or resting for 20 minutes. I have said the one who featured in this video my wife Chefness Gladys, you can subscribe on our YouTube channel Bake with Gladys then soko tekeko oven yo to maximum ebugume soko tekeko oven yo to maximum ebugume soko gisetting eddakiika 3 esooka ebugume to maximum heat soko setting omuliro nga guweddeyo to maximum heat then our buns zikutine ziraising you can see they have risen the buns have risen buns zidouble because to the resting stage you have to rest for 2 times the first 1 hour then after making the balls you also rest for 20 minutes then at this moment oven have already warm we are going to put the buns and bake the what and bake the buns together kwata to same buns zaffe tuzibaking then you are going to open the oven and put your buns. So you are going to first bake for 5 minutes. Ogenda soko baking okumala eddakiika 5. You are going to bake for 5 minutes. Ogenda soko baking okumala eddakiika 5 ku muliro omungi on high heat. Nga oven togireducinze. Then after dakiika 5 omuliro reducing to half. Reduce to half heat. Then you bake for 35 minutes. Remember, this is Chef Joshua CCCC. For the new viewers, please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Bobanga oli mpya kwata subscribe ku YouTube channel so kwanga ofuna recipes za Africa. Febanzi za for so kuziraba zimyuse. Zimyuse already tushabuzayo ke dakiika nga 17 you can see. Kitegeeza gwataina oven please mpatisapinga kwe namba yenyini ya Super Kitchen School mpatisapinga so okusindikira buns without oven nga tuzikoledde ku kyoto na sigiri Super Kitchen School to training akuka Rebecca barista ne pastries mu short courses mwezi gumu myezi 3 tulina advanced certificate ya myaka 2 tukola 100% practical hands-on abave wala tuba wa accommodation ate bannanga muntu asomye emyaka 2 oba emyaka 3 omwana bw'amaliriza tumufunya ne internship after internship netumufunya n'ekyo kukola kati ngwali ayagala okutandika business osobola okujja n'osoma intake yaffe etandika nga 12 January esaawa zino tuli kuwa half bursaries abave watuba accommodation ne meals ate tukola 100% practical hands-on omwana amaliriza okusoma tumufunya internship after internship netumufunya n'ekyo kukola mu hotel after graduation Super Kitchen School tufe aba training aba chef fe aba making aba chef tukusaba otwesigise n'omwana wo oba nawe gwe kenyenya aliola ba video then after that time you can see the buns otunoza buns zaffe zikoze eki zivuddeyo tugenda zijjayo then otumalizo zijjayo then tuyoke tukole ekikola ki tuyoke tukole ekiddako then tugenda zibata wash ndozo sola zimyose buki zimyose bulungi ngenda basaba mugende mu subscribe ku YouTube channel ya Chefness ya Bake with Gladys gwayagale recipes za bakery then you butter wash okwata ka pastry brush ko n'okayisa mu prestige oba mu blue band oba mu unsalted butter then you butter wash ndoza you can see the buns awo nga tumenyera munange buns zaffe nga tumenya ndozo olaba Buns we zirabika obulungi. Mugende mu subscribe ku YouTube channel ye bagita Bake with Gladys gwe yagala recipes eza bakery zokka. Munange anti engeri gye yaganye kamera nange nempozingawo Chef Joshua omusisi. Naye nga mbagala nnyo bannange muwenda mwenna abatufollowinga muwenda mwenna ababadde balaba recipe eno mubale kubanga mulaba recipe ate n'endala zikyajja ne recipe endala zikyajja jangu ojoininge Super Kitchen School osobola okubanga ofuna recipes zino gwayagala otandika business jangu osomeyo omwezi gumu myezi 3 myezi 4 gwayina omwana bane teri mwana musiru mutuwa abana tuba training teri mwana musiru omwana we yamala P7 yamala senior 4 yamala senior 6 yobate yamala koko tasum buli mwana tumu training mutuwa abana tuba training tuba full ekyenjawulo.